Hi beautiful people, so in this video I'm going to show you how I just did a lipstick look using a black lip liner and just concealer. So right now I have my lip liner. You can use eyeliner for this if you don't have a lip liner. So after applying the lip liner, I just followed the shape of my lip. So if you have smaller lips, you can just line just a little bit above your natural lip. And then I went with the concealer stick just to put. So make sure you use a matte concealer or lipstick for this. So as blending, I'm just rubbing my lips together, but if you have a brush, you can use a brush just to rub it.